the guards, but take the guards to keep them flat, keep them showing.
Welcome to our post-game press conference. I'm joined by our opening coach, Coach Chito Victorero, and our best player of the game, Rafi Rivas. Congratulations, gentlemen. Coach Chito, after the back-to-back losses that you suffered and the 51-point game that you had versus Meralco, gaano ba ka-importante na magkaroon kayo ng dominant na bounce back in the game?
First of all, I would like to thank the Lord Jesus Christ for this win. And yeah, we are a veteran team, and then we have a bunch of guys na experienced players, and it happens na we have a bad game last game namin, and we just try to go to the practice and move forward because sabi ko nga kanina, anong preparation namin, yung destiny namin, kontrolado pa naman namin. We just need to bounce back hard and play hard, and with that we have that playoff mentality starting in our preparation. So yun, lumabas naman yung laro ngayon, and ito naman mga players namin, alam naman nila na kung gaano ka-importante yung game.
Coach, today nagbabalik rin si Gio Halalon, and we already saw also better scoring output from Magnolia. Can you just talk about the impact of having Gio in this game?
Yeah, it is a key factor for us together with Calvin, and the energy that he gives every time he steps on the court. Although it's not 100%, but an 80 or 70 or 80% of Gio Halalon is much better na makatulong sa amin. And kita niyo naman yung binibigay niya sa amin. Although yun nga, medyo may nararamdaman pa sa Gio. But we don't want to force it also, but we just try to give him a limited minutes para lang din kahit paano hindi namin siya mapwersa. But it's a good addition for us in terms of energy, in terms of scoring, creating, and a lot of madami nagagawa si Gio.
Thank you, Coach Chito. Now, Rafi, during the first half, you were left with 0 points, but in the second half, you finished and managed to finish with double digits. Can you just talk about what fueled that second half hustle, especially in the moments when Terra Firmo was trying to orchestrate a fight back?
I just think I just got lucky, really. If I'm open in some spots, then I try to make the best of that. Just take advantage of what I can see at the time. But if you've been following me over the years, you know I don't really care about points. One of my teammates score, we all score. So I'm just trying to play with a sense of urgency and be a leader for my team on and off the court.
No, Rafi, with this win, your team is already assured of a playoff spot. And given the record of Magnolia, how will you be approaching the preparations going into that?
The same way, just understanding what's at stake, knowing that right now it's playoff time. All the teams are leveling up right now, so it's just time to battle. Playoffs is a different atmosphere than eliminations, so preparation is very key. So we just have to be a little more attentive to detail and be ready for whatever's thrown at us.
Thank you, Rafi. Now we would like to open the floor to our friends from the media.
Coach, congratulations. Coach, last game, 51 points na kayo. Tonight, times 2, bigit sa times 2. How did you address yung offensive goals nyo going to this game?
Thank you. Yeah, it's a bad offensive game sa amin ng last game. Although, lagi ko nga sinabi ko nga sa interview ko na we just try to give credit also to Meralco. I mean, let's give credit to their defense and also their aggressiveness. And they disrupted our offense. So that's their night, and give credit to them because they wanted more than us. So sa amin naman, we want to get better on our offense. We practice it for the last 2 days. We want to improve our offense because defensively we're consistent to be the #1 defensive team. But offensively kailangan namin mag-improve. So yun yung ginagawa namin ngayon. It's hopefully before the playoff start, mas maganda yung takbo ng offense namin. Kahit paano we have a good chance in the playoffs.
What would you consider that your biggest concern? I know may game pa kayo Sunday, but is that the biggest concern nyo going to the playoffs or?
No, it's just one game. I mean, you cannot judge us in that one game because if you see that the one that yung mga panalo namin, the four game win streak, we scored almost 100+ points also. So just also that's happened. Hindi lang naman ang nangyayari yan sa amin. Even in the other teams in the NBA, it also happens. I think sino ba yun? In the playoffs in the NBA, it also happens na they are only score less than 70 points. So I mean, hopefully that is the worst game this conference. Sana para kahit paano tapos na yung bad game namin. And we're trying to improve on our offense by doing a different scheme on offense para lang kahit paano yung mga players ko magkaroon ng chances to score.
Coach, just like to ask an update on Calvin Abueva. Will he be playing on Sunday or sa playoffs?
Sunday is probable he will play, but hopefully maging magkaroon ng magandang tawag dito, therapy tomorrow, yung mga PTs namin, bigyan siya ng magandang tawag dito, strengthening tomorrow. So we will try to see tomorrow kung makakapaglaro siya. Hindi pa sure, but in the playoffs, he will be played. Sure na yun. But tomorrow, I don't know. Sunday pa.
Rafi, do you remember the last time you had this kind of numbers?
Not really, because again, I don't really care about, best player, points. I care about wins, championships. That's right, but I really don't. So, but I know it's been a while. I do know that. But yeah, again, I'm just glad we won.
Coach, how important is Rafi to the team na kahit minsan yan siya naglalaro? Ngayon, you counted on him from the stage.
Yeah, Rafi is a big factor. As not only in the court, but outside the court. He's our leader, he's our captain ball. We talk about the being consistent on everything, and he's the one taking care of the team. Talks to the players, and naganda kaming ganun eh. So I want him to be my coach doon sa mga players, and it's another key factor yung contribution niya ngayon. He's a veteran, experience, he knows what to do, and the other young guys, and I told them na you need to copycat what Rafi did because he's here for 20+ seasons, so he knows what to do.
Okay na. And that's a wrap on our post-game press conference. Thank you and congratulations,
Thank you, everyone.